Coccidiosis in chickens, symptoms and treatment. Coccidiosis is a common parasite disease affecting the intestines. Symptoms include weakness, poor appetite, bloody diarrhea, and ruffled feathers. It spreads through contaminated food, water, and droppings. How to treat it? Separate sick chickens. Give anti-coccidial medicine, like Baycox or Solicox. Follow the instructions. Add vitamins A and K to their water for recovery. Clean and disinfect the co-op completely. Prevention. Keep water clean and bedding dry. Regularly disinfect the co-op. Add probiotics and garlic to their feed to boost immunity. Healthy chickens, fewer problems. Follow for more tips.